Why Alberta is one of the easiest provinces for immigrants. All about Alberta PNP looking for an easy way to move to Canada. Dreaming of a province that's booming with opportunity, offers a fast track to permanent residence, and is welcoming to foreign workers, then Alberta might be your perfect destination. In today's detailed guide, we're breaking down why Alberta is considered one of the easiest provinces for immigrants and how the Alberta Advantage Immigration Program, or AIP, can help you settle in Canada faster. We'll cover the different AIP streams, the requirements, the application steps, and all the official government links you'll need. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Why choose Alberta? Before we talk about immigration pathways, let's look at why Alberta is such an attractive destination for newcomers. Strong economy. Alberta is known for industries like oil and gas, agriculture, technology, and healthcare. Lower cost of living compared to cities like Toronto or Vancouver. Alberta offers lower housing costs and no provincial sales tax (PST). High demand for workers. Alberta employers are actively looking for foreign talent, especially in skilled trades, healthcare, transportation, IT, and construction. Family-friendly. Alberta has excellent healthcare, education systems, and multicultural communities. Alberta isn't just beautiful, it's a land of opportunity for immigrants. Number 2. What is the Alberta PNP, now called AIP? The Alberta PNP, officially known as the Alberta Advantage Immigration Program AIP, allows Alberta to nominate individuals for Canadian permanent residence. AIP focuses on attracting skilled workers, entrepreneurs, and graduates who can contribute to Alberta's growing economy and communities. Official AIP website, https://www.alberta.ca/aip.aspx. Number 3. Main immigration streams under AIPD. AIP offers multiple streams for different types of applicants. Here are the major categories. 1. Alberta Opportunity Stream AOS. 2. Alberta Express Entry Stream. 3. Rural Renewal Stream. 4. Rural Entrepreneur Stream. 5. Graduate Entrepreneur Streams. Number 4. Deep dive into each stream. 1. Alberta Opportunity Stream AOS. This stream is for temporary foreign workers already working full-time in Alberta. Key requirements: must be working in an eligible occupation in Alberta. Valid work permit based on LMIA, International Mobility Program, or post-graduation work permit. Language requirement: CLB 427 depending on the job. Minimum high school education, minimum work experience, 12 months full-time work in Alberta in the last 18 months or 24 months full-time work experience in Canada or abroad in the last 30 months. Meet income and settlement funds requirement if not working. If you're already employed in Alberta, this stream gives you a strong chance of securing permanent residency. 2. Alberta Express Entry Stream. This is one of the easiest and most powerful ways to get nominated if you are already in the federal Express Entry pool. How it works: Alberta selects candidates directly from the Express Entry pool. They prioritize candidates who have a CRS score as low as 300 plus, have work experience in a priority occupation even if not published, show strong ties to Alberta, such as a relative living in Alberta or previous work, study experience. After nomination, you receive 600 additional CRS points, virtually guaranteeing an invitation to apply ITA for permanent residence. Alberta is famous for sending invitations even to candidates with lower CRS scores, making it much easier compared to provinces like Ontario. 3. Rural Renewal Stream. This stream targets skilled workers who want to live and work in Alberta's smaller towns and rural communities. Requirements: a full-time, permanent job offer from an employer in a participating rural Alberta community. Language requirement: CLB 4 or higher, minimum high school education. Recent, relevant work experience, community endorsement letter. You must apply through a designated community. This is a great pathway if you love the peacefulness of rural life and want faster immigration. 4. Rural Entrepreneur Stream. If you have a business background and dream of opening a business in Alberta's smaller towns, this stream is for you. Requirements: minimum net worth of 300,000 Canadian dollars, minimum investment of 100,000 Canadian dollars into the business, minimum 3 years of experience as a business owner or 4 years of experience as a manager. A detailed business plan. If accepted, you get a work permit and eventually become eligible for nomination for PR. 5. Graduate Entrepreneur Streams. Graduated from an Alberta post-secondary institution, you have 2 exclusive pathways. A graduate entrepreneur stream for Alberta grads, minimum 2-year diploma or degree from an Alberta institution. Establish or operate a business in Alberta for at least 12 months. CLB7 in English or French.B foreign graduate entrepreneur stream for grads outside Alberta. Degree from an approved institution outside Canada. Minimum 6 months of full-time business ownership or management experience, business plan and pitch presentation required. Investment and net worth requirements vary based on business location. For young, ambitious entrepreneurs, Alberta offers an exciting place to start. Number 5. How to apply to Alberta PNP AIP. Let's walk through the application process for AIP step by step. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Review the eligibility criteria for your selected stream. Confirm your occupation is eligible. Check your language and education requirements. Step 2. Prepare your documents: passport, bio page, language test results, IELTS, CELPIP, TF, educational credential assessment, ECA if needed, work permit and employment documents, proof of Alberta ties, job offer, relatives documents if applicable, proof of settlement funds if required. Step 3. Create an AIP profile or submit the OI for streams like Rural Renewal or Entrepreneur Pathways. You must submit an expression of interest EOI. Apply or submit EOI through Alberta's official portal, https://www.alberta.ca/aip-how-to-apply.aspx. Step 4. Receive notification of interest for Express Entry stream if selected by Alberta from the Express Entry pool. You'll get a notification of interest NOI letter in your IRCC account. After receiving MOI, submit a full AIP application. Step 5. Submit full application, upload all documents, and pay the application fee. AIP fee. CAD $500 non-refundable closing parenthesis. Step 6. Nomination and permanent residency if approved. Alberta nominates you for Express Entry candidates. You accept the nomination through your IRCC account and receive an extra 600 CRS points. Apply for Canadian permanent residency. Express Entry portal, https://www.canada.ca/immigration-refugees-citizenship/services/immigrate-canada/express-entry.html. Number 6. Alberta PNP AIP processing times. One of the reasons Alberta is a favorite for immigrants is because processing times are relatively fast. AIP application processing, typically 4 to 6 months. Federal PR processing, another 6 to 12 months after nomination. Meaning you could become a Canadian permanent resident within about a year and a half. Number 7. Key advantages of choosing Alberta. Why is Alberta considered one of the easiest provinces for immigrants? Lowest CRS score requirement, no job offer needed for Express Entry stream, frequent draws and selections, broad eligible occupations, pathways for workers, graduates, and entrepreneurs. And let's not forget, Alberta's vibrant cities, natural beauty, and strong economy make it an amazing place to call home. Before you apply, keep these tips in mind. Take English or French tests early. Improve your scores for better chances. Secure a job offer in Alberta if possible. It strengthens your application. Prepare a strong settlement plan if required. Stay active in the Express Entry pool. Alberta selects candidates regularly. Never submit fake or misleading documents. Misrepresentation can get you banned for 5 years. Alberta opens its arms to talented individuals ready to contribute and build a new future with simple requirements, fast processing, and multiple pathways. Moving to Alberta through AAIP has never been easier. Start your journey today by visiting https://www.alberta.ca/aip.aspx, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who are dreaming of Canada too. See you soon in Alberta!